Hey, my name is James Mason. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put in a simple stop loss after you have already purchased your shares and a trailing stop loss. So, we'll come over here and you'll click on this. Next, you'll click on stop. Now you want to make sure that you have the correct amount of shares in there that you want to sell. So for this scenario, we will say that we had bought 1,000 shares. So obviously we want to sell these 1,000 shares if this price drops to a certain point. And we'll just say that we bought in at $2.26. So down here we will change this to, I'll just put in $2.15, and this basically just says that once it breaks past $2.15, it's going to turn into a market sell order and just sell off for you. So as you put this in, it will come up here and the little red tab for your sell will pop up here, and once it breaks past that, that's when it will trigger. So let's go over here to, we'll go to on demand, and I'll just show you real quick. Hold on, let's just buy some shares at whatever price. Let's see. Yeah, we'll just, okay, so we just bought 1,000 shares and we're gonna put in a stop loss. So to try to get it to trigger, we'll just change that to 175 and we'll submit this. So as you can see, I have my sell order in right there at 175, and we'll see if this will actually trigger or not. We'll speed this up. Let's move it up just a tad. Move it up to 176. Well, crap. It accidentally triggered. So actually, let's just back this up real quick. We will see what this price is right here. This high of 179. Alright. This was at 1304. Alright, so we're going to buy 1,000 shares. We're going to put a stop loss now in. We'll just keep it there at 178. Crap, come on now. Okay. Now we have our stop loss, and we'll just drop down 1 cent. Okay. So we have our stop loss set at $1.77. So in a minute here, once it breaks this threshold, like right there, it triggered at 177. So that's the simple way to put in a stop loss. Now, let's go back. The next one I want to show you is this trailing stop loss. So let's just say you already have 1,000 shares, and basically what this means is if you want a trailing stop loss, you'll open this up and you'll come right here and you'll click it twice to where it's put on a percentage. And I think percentage is kind of the easiest way to use this. And so what you want to do is we'll just zero that out and we'll put minus 2% in there. So basically what this represents is as the price goes up, for instance over here, and I'll zoom in for you. So let's just say you bought in right here. This is $2.39. The price goes up, and it goes over and it goes up, kind of comes back a little bit, comes over here, it goes up and then comes back, then goes up and then comes back a little bit, kind of determining what it wants to do here. Then you have a little red. Now the thing is with this, if this had went past 2% from its high point, then it would have sold. But because this wasn't 2%, you would have kept it, and it came over here and it would have went up all the way up to $2.45. So $2.45, or everything, you know, as this number goes up, it automatically keeps creating this new high. And so it gets up here, it hits $2.45. So the system knows that now $2.45 is its high point. So if this thing dips 2% from this high point of $2.45, it will actually sell for you. So as it would have came over here, it would have sold for you automatically, because this will be beyond that 2%. So this is actually pretty beneficial if you catch something on a good run and it's just, you know, it's running up, but you don't want to let all your gains slip away. So if you put like 2% in there, and as it goes up, and you know, the candlesticks will kind of maybe teeter-tot, you know, back and forth, but then it get to a point, and then when it starts to, you know, take that dip again, when it breaks across your threshold for like this scenario, minus 2%. So if it would lose 2% from its high of when you actually set this order, then it would sell for you. So that is how you put in a trailing stop loss. So I hope this video helps you guys out. You know, please subscribe to my channel, and please give these videos a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.